Good morning, students. Today we will going to be see 12th zoology. A topic is called what we say diseases. Very important one. Most probably theory as well as NEET. There is a 100% chance there may be two questions in NEET. Kind attention, each and everybody listen very carefully. I will tell you about theory point of view, simultaneously also what we say NEET point of view also. See, topic is diseases. You know, it is the easy word. What is called disease? You may say. I will tell you before that what is the opposite of the disease? Healthy or health. Dear, I will ask you a question. How will you identify the health? There is a fantastic. You may going to be say disease. Sir, I am not feeling well. You may going to be say. That is not an answer. What is health? If you know the health, you can go to be say what is disease very easily. How will you say what is called health? A person, or is there any animal, or whatever may be. For example, one is called who is active, who is alert, who is active, alert, bright, who is shiny, who is busy. Listen. He is called it as what we say right person. He is called it as what we say right person. Dear, listen. I told you I am not telling about disease. I am telling about what is health. Who is active till morning to end. Who is alert? Very immediately response. Who is bright? Seems to be. Who is shiny? Okay. Who is busy? These are all working on each and every part. A part is there. If the part should brain is there, okay. Heart is there, okay. Everything is active, alert, bright, shiny, busy. He is called it as who may say healthy. What is disease? Our topic. Who is not active, who is not alert, who is not bright, who is not shiny, who is not busy, whose person organ is not working very properly. Either may be the brain, or may be the kidney, or may be the heart, or may be the liver, or may be the any part of the body. Such a person affected what may going to be called disease or diseases. Today our topic is disease. There may be, if you going to be classify what are they, one is called what we say viral disease, next one is called what we say bacterial disease, next one is called what we say fungal disease, next one is called what we say protozoan disease. These four are the very important microorganisms will going to be cause disease in our body. Virus, viral, bacteria, bacterial, fungal, fungus, protozoan. Virus so important. Somewhat comparing the virus, bacterium. Fungal, punjai. Protozoan, pro, one, single, uni, a, protozoan. So, diseases are classified into four. One is called viral disease, bacterial disease, fungal disease, protozoan disease. In that, we will going to be see especially a important thing, sexually transmitted disease. We are seeing what are the diseases are affected through the viral STD, bacterial STD, fungal STD, protozoan STD. S stand for sexually. T stands for transmitted. D stands for disease. Sexually transmitted disease. Tamil we may say பால் வினை நோய்கள். What is the Tamil in STD? Sexually transmitted diseases. பால் வினை நோய்கள். What are they? VD, venereal disease. Venereal, what you may say? Venereal disease. RTI, reproductive transmitted infection. Reproductive transmitted infection. Next one, sexually transmitted infection. Dears, listen, we will going to be see what are the sexually transmitted diseases. STD called sexually transmitted disease, VD venereal disease, RTI reproductive transmitted disease, STI sexually transmitted disease, all are called what we may say STD. Tamil we may say பால் வினை நோய்கள். See, these all are transmitted through the sexual contact with the infected partner. Infected sexual contact. The person who is infected, he is called it as what we say infected partner. Sir, it is not easily attacked. It will attack through that what we say you having that what we say contact with the such a person, infected person, it will going to be attacked. It won't attack easily. It is attack by what we say you are doing some wrong things. What we say unknown sexual contact with infected partner, you are affected as what we may say STD, sexually transmitted disease, VD venereal disease, RTI reproductive transmitted infection, sexually transmitted infection. Shortly we may say all transmitted through sexual contact with the infected partner. See, I will tell you how it will going to be contact means. Not only that, easily comparing this STD, VD, RT, STI, hepatitis also, liver also affected, HIV, AIDS, human immunodeficiency virus, AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency virus. These are also going to be caused through that what we say sexual contact with unknown partner or infected partner. Hepatitis also going to be caused HIV. Another some way, one is what we say transmitted sexually, okay. Sometimes a person is infected, he is taking injection, the same injection is not sterilized, through the needles also you may going to be affected. Second thing, surgical instrument. Whose person is affected, the person is made up of what we say some operations. Unknowingly you are affected through that surgical instrument. You need blood, you are affecting injury, blood transfusion, at a time also it will going to be contact. Sometimes mother is pregnancy, but mother is infected, but there is a chance baby will going to be attacked. Infected mother to baby. Sir, you may going to be say these are all going to be transmitted through only sexual contact with infant. No, some other reason also is there. Needles, surgical instrument, blood transfusion, infected mother to baby, people, those who are 15 to 24 years prone to attack. What is called prone? Easily attack. Easily attack. Such a person only they will going to be make mistake. 15 to 24 years prone to attack this disease. Very important things. You may going to be say STD, VD, RTI, STI are transmitted through the sexual. No. Not only sexual transmitted, needles also, surgical instrument also, through the blood transfusion also, infected mother to baby also. But There is a survey has taken in WHO, World Health Organization told people, those who are the age of the 15 to 24 years prone to attack this disease, they told. Now we will going to be see the STDs are how many in number 4. Example, bacterial STI, bacterial sexually transmitted infection 4 in number. We will going to be see first one, we will going to be see gonorrhea. Gonorrhea, very easy one, but spellings are very important. Gonorrhea, causative agent, causative agent. It is caused what type of bacteria? What type of bacteria? They are called Neisseria gonorrhea. What a name see here. You may say cholera, Vibrio cholerae, typhoid, Salmonella typhi, malaria, Plasmodium vivax. No. But see, gonorrhea is a sexually transmitted disease through the bacteria. Causative agent, Neisseria gonorrhea. Symptoms, very easy one, but symptoms you can go easy, but all the symptoms going to be mingled at a time. I will tell you very easy one. Affects urethra. What is called urethra? Urine outcoming passage. Siririr Poravali Padai. Tamil we may say. For example, the male penis is there. Okay, that what we say, please listen, that area will going to be easily attacked. Yes, easily attacked. They are call it as what we say, urethra. See, affects urethra, rectum, intestinal part, rectum, throat, and also what we say, cervix. Cervix we may say, uterus mouth. Tamil we may say, karuppai vai. See, what is that? Uterus is called, what you may say, it is the uterus. Which part will go to affect? This part. It is called it as what you may say, cervix. It is in male, it is in what you may say, female. What is the first symptom? Affects urethra, rectum, large intestine part, throat, and also cervix. Pain, pus discharge. While urination, you can't eliminate the urine very easily. While you are trying to release the urine, at a time you will going to be get hip pain or what you may say abdominal pain, pus discharge. In urine, what will going to be eliminate? Pus will going to be eliminate. Pus discharge. And also while urination, your urethra is making burning sensation. Burning sensation. Please listen. What sensation we may say? Burning sensation. Erection. What are the symptoms of that? What we may say? Gonorrhea affects urethra, rectum, throat, cervix. Cervix, I told you, female uterus mouth. Pain, pus discharge, burning sensation, incubation 2 to 5 days. A person who is affected as a gonorrhea, he will going to be affects at least how many days we may say 2 to 5 days. Very important thing. There may be, they will going to be asked many incubation periods, syphilis, gonorrhea, cervical cancer, breast cancer, mouth cancer, throat cancer, lung cancer, bowel cancer, brain cancer, blood cancer. But incubation periods they will going to be given. At a time you will going to be confused. You want to be keeply keen in your mind. Listen, how many days? Oh, gonorrhea just 2 to 5 days. I told you, what is the gonorrhea? Bacterial STI, causative agent, Neisseria gonorrhea. Symptoms affects urethra, rectum, throat, cervix, pain, pus discharge, burning sensation, incubation 2 to 5 days. Understand? I will tell you the next bacterial STI is called what we may say syphilis. Syphilis. Causative agent. What is the causative agent? Treponema, not noma, nema, sorry. Treponema palladium. Trypanema palladium. Trypanema palladium. See, what are the symptoms? There may be important things. Primary stage, first stage, secondary stage, second, tertiary. There may be 3 stages are there. A disease has 3. Corona has also that, what you may say, primary level, secondary level, tertiary level told. Such a manner you are affected as a syphilis. There may be 3 stages are there. Namely, what are the primary stage, secondary stage, tertiary stage. Syphilis caused by Trypanema palladium. Trypanema palladium. Primary stage, painless ulcer. But there is no pain, but ulcer wound will going to be caused on external genitalia. What is genitalia? Reproductive part outside. External genitalia. Genitalia, reproductive part. External genitalia. What we may say, the external part will going to be affected very easily. The external part will going to be affected very easily. See, what is the primary stage? Painless ulcer, no pain, but ulcer wound will going to be caused. Where? On external genitalia, not inner side. Second stage, skin lesion. Your body fully there and hither and there, wounds will going to be affected. Skin lesion, mouth, throat, and also each and every part, armpit, thigh pit, elbow pit, everything, skin lesion, rashes. Lesions are, rashes will going to be caused, heavy rashes, and also swollen joints. Joint number 1, joint number 2, joint number 3, joint number 4, 5, 6, everything swollen will going to be happen. Fever also going to be caused, and also hair loss. Hair will going to be lost. Unknowingly, you may say, what is the reason I don't know? Hair loss. Because you are affected as a syphilis. Hair loss will going to be caused. Secondary stage. Third stage, it is, you are not treated early. Third stage happened. What? Chronic ulcer. What is called chronic? Severe. Zoological name of the severe, chronic, kadumayana, adhigamaga. That's called chronic ulcer on nose. Nose around, ulcer will, wound will going to be caused. Lower leg wounds, palate, very important. What is called palate? While you are talking, you say a word palate. At a time, the tongue will going to be touch on up. That's called palate. In Tamil, we may say annaku, palate. Chronic ulcer on nose, lower leg wound, palate also affected, loss of movement. You can't walk, you can't shake your hands, you can't shake your head, you can't bend, you can't rotate, you can't sit. Loss of movement, mental disorder. We may going to be say, listen, but you won't listen. Mental disorder, go and see the work, you won't listen. It's called mental disorder. Visual impairment, vision loss, parva poidu, vision loss. Heart problem. But what problem? See, syphilis is going to be caused heart problem. Gammas, very easy one. What is gamma? Non-cancerous growth. What is cancer? Tumor. Non-cancerous growth means the wound, that swelling will going to be happened. But it is a cancer, but you can't identify. That's called gammas, non-cancerous growth. Very important one. What is the incubation period? Appa, even 2 to 5 days, it is a 10 to 90 days, 3 months. There may be chance it is you are not treated, death. My dears, listen. Second STI in bacterial, syphilis, Trypanema palladium. Primary stage, painless ulcer on nose, external ulcer on external genitalia. Second stage, what we may say, skin lesion, rashes, swelling joints, fever, hair loss. Tertiary stage, chronic ulcer on nose, lower leg, palate, loss of movement, mental disorder, visual impairment, heart problem. Gammas, Non-cancerous growth, incubation period 10 to 90 days. 10 to 90 days. How many days incubation period? Listen, 10 to 90 days. We have seen bacterial STI among 4, 2 we have seen. One is called gonorrhea, second one syphilis. Gonorrhea, causative agent, Neisseria gonorrhea, syphilis, Treponema palladium. Incubation period 2 to 5 days, syphilis 10 to 90 days.